Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. Somebody got a new M2 Competition and we're going to check it out right now. So, as you guys may or may not know, my dad bought the 2019 M2 Competition. He traded in his 328 and got this beautiful machine. Got it from the BMW gallery. Marty got his incredible touches on there with the yellow headlights, black kidney grills. The whole front end's been PPF'd. It come with some really nice Braylon wheels and winter tires. Yes, it's going to be winter driven. M2's got the black badging. We'll get to the interior in a second. But M2 Competition. He tinted the taillights the same as mine. And I also said to get the headlights tinted the same as mine, but I think the yellow actually turned out much better. Drop a comment and let me know what you guys think about the yellow headlights on the blue. Got some Alcantara on the door with the blue stitching. Alcantara on the seats, the blue stitching. Winter mats. And M2 Competition. All the dry carbon looks so good. Blue in the seats. I love the blue in the seats. It's got the light up M2 just like the M3. One perk which the M3 doesn't have is it has the center console for the cup holders. The M3 doesn't have the center console for the cup holders, and so when the kids are in the back seat, they got nowhere to put their cups. That's a great feature. I wish the M3 had that as well. But it is a 2019 M2 Competition. Dual clutch. It's got the same S55 engine in it as the M3 does, which is a power monster. And the benefit with the M2 and the S55 motor is it's got all that power and it's lighter than the M3. So it is like a little go-kart on steroids. I think my mom and dad made a very wise decision. A very wise decision in buying the M2. It's a gorgeous car, and when they got it, it only had 6,000 kilometers on it. It's basically like a brand new car, just barely used. There we go, the heart of the beast, exactly the same as what is in the M3. I could take a picture of this one, take a picture of mine, and you guys wouldn't know anything different except for you'd be able to tell by the body color. But great engine, reliable, lots of power, and it will definitely go. And yes, it does get driven, which is awesome because they are the driver's car. Listen to that roar. What a great sounding car. What an amazing machine. Drop a comment, what do you guys think of the new M2 Competition? I think it's a beautiful car. Gorgeous spec. I love the blue. The blue is phenomenal. If I was to buy an M2, this is the exact same color that I would get as well. also got a pretty sweet Jeep on some kick-ass wheels. But his real pride and joy is under that cover. If you want to see more of this, go follow him on Instagram, because that's really his baby right there under that cover. If you guys will remember installing my first PPF videos, links above. If you go watch that video, you'll know what's under that cover. So one of the biggest differences is obviously the two doors and the body styling, where the M3 really has hips and the M2 has the hips, but they're more built into the quarter panel. The really big difference though is right here. So the gross vehicle weight of the M2 is 2,000 kilograms, where the M3 is 2,121 kilograms. So there's the same horsepower in the M2 with the S55 twin turbo engine but it's 120 kilograms lighter. So the power to weight ratio is better in the M2. Let me know what you guys think. Would you guys take the M2 or the M3? I appreciate you guys sticking around this long in the vlog. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.